But don't worry, guys. I got the heat lamp in there. You can't really see. My boyfriend is going to go turn the light on. We got the extension cord out here. So I got the new setup outside in my little home, outside home. Jinx, stop doing that. You scare me. Your head's going to get stuck. She escaped the other night. Put that in there, hook it up. This is also where we keep all the hay. It's way too dark. I'm just gonna dump a bunch of shavings in here because Bailey's foot, he can't really walk that well, and we want lots of padding on it so he's not pushing on that bone. I'm gonna dump it in there. I want it to be really warm. Oh, I've wanted to do that for so long after pulling it out of the bag. Might even need some more in here. There we go. Oh, my boyfriend got the light on. Yay! Look at that. Which means I can plug in the heat lamp, which you remember, we just hook on there. Okay, here we go, guys. You first, Josh. It's okay. Here, Josh. It's okay. Sorry. It's okay, baby. There you go. How's that? Wrap it around. To secure it. Wrap it around the pole. Or maybe not. What if I did it the other direction? And wrapped it around the pole. Aha, that's a little bit better. That's better. There. I think that works. Now that sucker's not going to fall down at all. Not going nowhere. It's hooked on there good. I'm going to make sure this is good too. It's definitely zip tied on there, and this thing is not falling over. It's not going anywhere. It's just heavy, that's all. Maybe I'll keep the bin behind it too, just in case. Here's their water bowl. Very yucky. I'm going to clean that one out. And then I will give them some more water. I don't have that much on me right now. Just just a tiny bit, but I'll get some more. You definitely need a new food bowl. This is actually a plastic container from my house. I'm sorry, Mom. It's not their food bowl. Okay, guys. I'll be back with your food and water. Hope you like it, your new home, because you're big boys and girls now. And this is what happens when you do things in the dark. Hi guys. Hi Josh. Hi Bailey. Hey guys. I got you new food. Ta-da. And new water. Nom, 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 nom. That was a long car ride back to the farm, huh? From Mom's house, your grandma's house to your mom's house. The farmhouse. And you're home in your new setup outside. I think they like it. They should be quite content out here. Kitties, stop that. Hi guys. Hi Jim. Hi Salem. Come on. Hi guys. I'm fine. Hi. Hi kitty. Hi duckies. How was your first night? This was the ducklings' first night outside. Hi Josh. Hi babes. Okay, we have their food, refill. They didn't even eat all of it. Can't see. Then we have their water bowl. Nothing in there. It's way less messy in here, huh? Josh, oh, look at him. He's trying to drink it out of the bottle. Hi, Bailey. There you go, guys. There you go. It's not so bad in here, right? It's not that bad. Right, guys? It's not that bad outside. It's not that bad. Put some more hay in there. Of course, get hay all over myself. There you go, guys. Just needed some more hay. Yeah. There we go, guys. Please don't knock that over. Do not knock over the water bowl. Let's switch positions. Water here. Food over here. Okay.